And we're going to do a cold start here on my Toro Personal Pace Recycler 22-inch. This is one of the three that I own. This is the oldest one, 6.75 gross horsepower, 190 cc, Briggs & Stratton engine. These are great lawnmowers here. It's got the personal pace, which you just push this handle down for your own speed. And the snow is still melting. Let's see if this will start first time. This was used in late December. Today is February 27th. It hasn't been that long since it's been used. It has got a auto choke on it, or ready start they call. So I'm expecting this to start first time. Let's see if it proves me wrong here. There we go. Oops. Proving me wrong. There we go. It is cold. 3 times. Come on, baby. Just want it to warm up a little bit.